Attention! A huge new round of direct deposit payments, up to $2,000, is set to hit bank accounts this October 2025. Millions of Americans are asking, will I get it? When will it arrive? And how can I make sure I don't miss out? In this video, we're breaking down exactly what you need to know about these payments, who qualifies, when the money will arrive, and how to make sure your direct deposit information is ready. If you've been waiting for relief, you'll want to watch this all the way to the end because we've uncovered some critical details that most news outlets aren't telling you. What the October 2025 direct deposit is. This October, a significant payment program is rolling out to provide up to $2,000 in direct deposits to eligible Americans. While people often call it a stimulus or relief check, it's technically a special benefit aimed at households facing higher living costs and economic pressure. Unlike past payments that were automatically sent to everyone under a certain income level, this one is tied to specific criteria. It's not universal, and not every state is participating in exactly the same way. That's why understanding the details now is crucial. The Treasury and state agencies have confirmed that most payments will be made electronically, meaning direct deposit into your bank account or onto a direct express card, rather than paper checks. This is meant to speed up delivery and reduce fraud. Who qualifies for the $2,000 direct deposit? Let's clear up the biggest question first. Who is eligible? According to the information available, you may qualify if you fall into one or more of these categories. Low to moderate income households who meet income thresholds, for example, single filers under a certain annual income and married couples under a higher limit. Retirees receiving Social Security, SSI, or SSDI who also meet the income and residency criteria. Veterans receiving VA benefits under qualifying programs. Some states have added extra eligibility for parents with dependents or caregivers. Exact cutoffs can vary by state, but in most cases the aim is to help individuals and families struggling with inflation and higher costs of living. If you're unsure, you should check your state's Department of Revenue or Benefits website. Many have already posted eligibility tools where you can enter your income and household size to see if you qualify. When the payments will arrive. Another major question, when will the money actually show up? Based on the schedule released so far, deposits will start in early October 2025 and continue in waves throughout the month. The first round is expected in the first week of October for people whose information is already on file and verified. Those who submit updated bank details or who filed later may see their deposit mid to late October. And if you don't have direct deposit set up, paper checks could take even longer, sometimes into November. That's why officials are urging everyone to verify their payment details now. Make sure your bank account information is current, your address is correct, and any changes to your status, like new dependents or new bank accounts, have been reported. How to make sure you don't miss out. Here's what you should do right now to make sure your payment isn't delayed or denied. Verify your banking information, log into your state's benefits portal or the IRS Get My Payment tool, if applicable, and make sure your routing and account numbers are correct. Update your mailing address. If you've moved recently, update your address with both the IRS and your state agency. Check your eligibility status. Use the online tools provided by your state to confirm whether you're on the approved list. Watch your email or mail for notices. Some states are sending pre-approval letters or emails to those who qualify. Taking these steps now can prevent a 4 to 6 week delay in your payment. State-by-state variations. Not every state is handling this program the same way. Some states are supplementing the federal funds with their own relief programs, meaning residents there could receive even more than $2,000. Other states are sticking strictly to the base amount. A few examples based on public information. California and New York have announced additional cost of living rebates for low-income households on top of the $2,000 direct deposit. Texas and Florida are focusing on seniors and disabled residents first, sending their payments in the earliest waves. Smaller states like Vermont and Rhode Island may roll out payments later in October because of administrative delays. Again, check your state's official website for the exact dates and amounts. Don't rely solely on social media posts or rumors. Why this matters for Social Security recipients. Many Social Security beneficiaries are wondering how this affects them. The good news: if you're already receiving SSI, SSDI, or retirement benefits, you don't need to apply separately in most states. The agencies will use the information they already have on file. However, if you've recently changed your bank account or your Direct Express card expired, you must update your details immediately to avoid delays. Also note, these $2,000 payments are separate from your normal Social Security benefit. They won't reduce your monthly check or count as taxable income in most cases, but check your state's rules to be sure. Common myths and rumors. There's a lot of misinformation online about these October payments. Let's bust a few myths. Myth number 1. Everyone in America is getting $2,000 automatically. Reality: only those who meet the income and residency criteria will qualify. Myth number 2. This is a recurring monthly payment. Reality: this is currently a one-time direct deposit, not a permanent program. Myth number 3. You must pay a fee or sign up on a third-party website. Reality: you never have to pay a fee to get a government benefit. Use only official state or federal websites. What to expect after you receive the money. Once the deposit lands, you can use it for essentials like rent, groceries, medical bills, or other urgent expenses. If you're on a fixed income, consider setting aside part of it for upcoming winter heating costs or insurance premiums. Financial advisors also recommend avoiding scams. If someone calls claiming they can speed up your payment for a fee, hang up. Government agencies don't do that. To recap the most important points from this video, up to $2,000 direct deposits are rolling out in October 2025. Eligibility depends on income, residency, and program participation, like Social Security or VA benefits. Payments start early October and continue in waves through the month. Verify your bank and mailing information now to avoid delays. Check your state's official website for exact details. If you found this information helpful, please share this video with friends, family, or anyone in your community who might be eligible for these payments. Too many people miss out on benefits simply because they didn't know how or when to claim them. A simple share could genuinely change someone's life. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an important update. We'll keep you informed about every change, including new relief programs, Social Security cost of living increases, upcoming deadlines, and insider tips to make the process easier and faster. Remember, October 2025 could be a crucial month for millions of Americans waiting for financial relief. Stay informed, stay prepared, double-check your eligibility, and make sure you receive every dollar you're entitled to. Your awareness today can secure your financial peace tomorrow.